Hey guys, this is my first video of 2021 and Happy New Year. I haven't spoke to you guys for forever. I just wanted to make sure to start the channel off with a bang this year. I've promised myself to improve my channel, and one of the biggest things I find is to make a great channel is audio. I've gone ahead and picked myself up I pronounce this correctly, a Fifine microphone for approximately 70 quid. That's including postage. This is the unboxing of the Fifine model 678. Let's go. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Like I said, I picked it up for what was it, £70. As you can see, I haven't got the fancy knives and that. I've got to use my scissors to unbox it. And let's go for the grand reveal. Straight ahead, it's just a few piece of paperwork, just introducing who they are, Fifine, company websites on there, and a manual. Like I said, this model is the K678. I've never had a microphone before, so this is my first try of it. I can't really say 100% that this is going to be the perfect one. A bit of foam for the packaging to keep it all secure. Taking it out of the box, it does have a little bit of a weight, but I think it is more of the stand that made it slightly weighty. The microphone itself is quite small. The video doesn't really give it any justice whatsoever. It's got a couple of buttons for the mic, and the volume for your headphones. You can place it comes with a stand extender basically to put in that hole there, and we've got the USB for power and a headphones to listen to your audio while you record. Like I said, two microphone buttons, volume buttons, and the headphone buttons, so you can turn those up and down. And the mic has also got a stand, like the stand that's on there. It is, like I said, extendable as well. That can be removed from the microphone itself, but there's no reason for you to want to do that, to be fair. Like I said, it's quite sturdy, and again, it's because of the stand itself that make this thing a bit sturdy. On the front of the microphone, like as you can see where I've placed it to the front, is the mute button. You can mute your audio while you record. Let's go ahead and see what else is inside the box. You've got the little white box that contains the Type A to Mini B USB cable. That's for obviously the power to the microphone itself. If these get damaged, you can obviously pick one up, but these are quite sturdy. That's come in the box. That goes into the microphone itself, that little section. Let's just wrap this back up. Put that to one side. Also, it's what we call a 5.8 male to 3.8 female adapter, which allows you to install a mic on a standard boom arm, so you can get an extension. This is the extender, and that's literally just for a boom arm. It's not really necessary if you don't want to. If it's if you've got like a lot of mics, sort of a stand, if you want to stand while you're recording, that sort of help you extend the mic itself. If you're in a recording studio, so forth. My intention is purely for me to use this mic for just my videos and improve my videos. Like I said, I think it's about time I started doing a lot more with regards to the YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe.